Hello everyone, welcome to MotorHead. This is शिवम. तो आज की इस वीडियो में we are going to discuss that why you should consider Pulsar 220 as one of your option if you are looking for a new bike. So let's begin with the video. The very first point comes, which is it is one of the best sport tourer in the market in this segment, right? So if you are a sport bike lover and looking for a tourer bike, then this is the option you should consider. The second point is about its looks. Looks of the bike matters for all, and especially to me, the looks matters a lot. And this Pulsar 220 with this new color scheme, blue and black decal, it definitely stands out in the crowd and its look very amazing. Then the third point is its power and the torque. The bike have ample power and torque if you are switching from a low segment bike to a higher cc, like from if you are riding a 100 or 150cc bike and you're switching to a upper segment, that's in this budget it got ample power and torque. You can easily cruise on this bike for 100 to 110 km per hour, and it got ample power that you can easily cut throughout those traffic gaps. The fourth thing is about its seats. The seats of Pulsar 20 are very comfortable, and especially to me as I switched from a classic 350 to a Pulsar, right? So the seats are very comfortable. You can ride on it for all day long for 400 to 500 or say 400 to 500 kilometer, and you are not going to feel anything on your bum. Then the fifth and the last, which is very important, which is the cheap services and the maintenance. The service cost and the maintenance of Pulsar 220 is very low. It is not going to dig a hole in your pocket, especially the first three paid services. Like if I tell you with my experience, my first service cost of Pulsar 220 was just 450 rupees. In the second service, it cost me just 103 rupees. That because Bajaj don't change their engine oil in the second services. And the third service cost me just 1026 rupees. As in this service, it also includes the rear brake pad. So you can see maintaining this bike is not that costly, and this is the perk of owning an Indian brand. Being an Indian brand, the parts are also very cheap and available throughout the country. You can easily find its part anywhere. So this is all for the Pulsar 220. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.